Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go to Odd Life Crafting channel analytics. They have uploaded 202 videos. They now have 226k subscribers with a total view of 29,546,007 views. They are from Brazil, and their channel type is people. They created their channel since September 17, 2016. The grade they got is B, and their social blade ranking is at 190,821st. The subscriber ranking is 114,945th, and then video views rank is 180,769th. They ranked at 8,567th in Brazil and 17,105th in people. Next, the daily subs for Odd Life Crafting is around 100 with a daily view of 32,392. Now let's talk about how much money they are making on YouTube, and this is going to be an estimate. So, the daily view is 90,000. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning will be $128. Then, monthly income will be $3,840. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue for 45%. Now, monthly income will be $2,112 after the cut. And as for the yearly income will be $25,344. That is how much Odd Life Crafting makes from YouTube.